Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to walk you through how I managed to jailbreak iOS 26.3 on my iPhone. First, let me quickly show you that I'm actually running the latest iOS version. As you can see in the settings, my device is fully updated. Now let's take a look at the jailbreak itself. If you check my home screen, you'll notice the Cydia app installed. Cydia only appears on jailbroken devices, which confirms that this iPhone has been successfully jailbroken. The jailbreak was made possible using an app called Uncover. Once I open it, you can see the option to start the jailbreak process right from there. I'll show you exactly how it works and what you need to do in just a moment. If you're interested in doing the same on your device, stick with me and follow along step by step. Before you can use this method, there are some settings you need to change. Head into your settings, tap on General, and make sure that Background App Refresh is turned on, either for Wi-Fi or for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. This ensures the app can run smoothly in the background. Next, swing by your battery settings and switch off low power mode. This feature can slow down your device, which we definitely don't want happening. With these two settings tweaked, you're all ready to move on to the next step. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it's Safari, and go to the website called apptweakers.com. AppTweakers is a website where you can find many apps and games with awesome features. Once you are on the website, search for Uncover Jailbreak and click on it. To get started, simply click the download button and give it a moment to install. Depending on your internet connection, it might take a little bit, but once it's finished, you'll automatically be redirected to a page that says, Installation Completed. At that point, the app will pop up on your home screen, and you're good to go. Now, if it's your first time using the site, there are a couple of extra steps to complete, but don't worry, it's super simple. You'll be directed to a website with a video tutorial that walks you through everything step by step. All you need to do is install a couple of apps from the App Store or Play Store, depending on your device. These apps are completely safe and secure, so there's nothing to stress about. Just follow the instructions, and you'll have no trouble at all. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.